How to change Squarespace template 7.1. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change Squarespace template in the new version, which is 7.1. It is the latest version of the Squarespace and it is also more user friendly and helpful for the beginners especially. So in order to change your template, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, just log into your Squarespace account and select the site you want to edit. And after that, on the left panel, just select design, and under design just click on site styles. And once you click on site style, you will then be able to see the site styling setting pull up from the right panel like that. Now Squarespace allows you to completely customize the outlook on your site with these settings. So you can now go ahead and change the font, colors, and also add animation to the elements that you have selected. And after that, you can also manage the spacing between the alphabets that you're writing. You can also add the image blocks, and you can customize the style of how your images are presented in the collection. And you might notice that Squarespace has made the conscious decision to predefine certain elements like color palette, font pairing, so that it is easy for the beginners to design an aesthetic site with minimal efforts. Within a couple of minutes of the tweaking of site style, you can end up with two completely different looking sites, as you can see in the example. It is always better to find a template you like and just emulate in its site style. That way you could technically change your site to another Squarespace template, and you can change every aspect of your current site to look exactly like the new template you find. This is what the new design system in Squarespace version 7.1 allows you to do, from the site header, content layout, button, images, footer layout, checkout, pages, social sharing, and more. Every aspect of your site is customizable, and Squarespace has done the legwork of pre-designing. So this is how you will be able to change Squarespace template, the new version, which is 7.1. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.